Here is 360-degree view of Nambla Silpathar. We are at the peak of Nambla Sea, known as Silpathar. We are going towards enjoying this moment of nature. Here are a lot of snow, and we are here to enjoy this moment with the beautiful evening sun. Now lot of ridges here, and then we are preparing tea to enjoy this moment and make it memorable for a long time of period.
MashaAllah, so beautiful sunset here in front of us. Oh, Allahu Akbar.
But we have
MashaAllah.
minimum time to enjoy here, but we enjoy lot of moments here. Here are some bushes in front of us, which are depressed by the ice. Here is only two type of birds here is found, that's crow and eagles. None of the other birds here found, but there is lack of water. If you want to come here, please take a bottle with you, with himself. You can see here eagle here.
Eagle
Over here,
and
overhead,
overhead, moon.
Near the moon.
So glassy sky.
It is also enjoying the nature.
See,
Wow, what a
two
scene.
eagles, 1 and 2, surrounding the moon. Wow. Two eagles.
Enjoying itself.
Come to explore Kashmir, Habibi.
Come to Kashmir, enjoying this type, this nature, beautiful nature. Welcome, Habibi, welcome.
Come to Kashmir.